Hello everyone, welcome to Survival Month. This is day 18, I think it is, of the series. Nearly there for this month. We've got 18 cleans today. I'm local, so I'm going to Throckernal and Gedney Hill. It's not far from where I live at all. Hopefully it'll be a good day and we'll get home at a decent time, especially after yesterday, because I feel like I'm 90 years old. So follow along, see how we do. Will I make it, or will I drop down completely kaput? 11 cleans down. I've got 7 cleans left and it's now just gone up past 12. Me and Matthew are stopping at the shop. We're going to head back home because we need to fill up with water. We're going to do 1 clean on the way home, so that'll knock us down to 6. And then I've got 2 left to do in Gedney Hill and the rest will be in Throckernal. We started with a couple in Throckernal. It's just the way we organise things and run the day. So all in all, not too bad. And hopefully it's going to be a nice finish. Weather's brilliant. The sun's come out. It was cold this morning, but it's warmed up. No gloves on now, so I'll probably get black hands from the pole. And it won't be long till I start taking this off when summer gets here, but I'm sure we're going to have some cold snaps. Anyway, will we finish? I don't know. Keep watching. What could go wrong? Five minutes past 5, just got back at home, job done, 18 cleans, it's all local. Managed to come home for a quick cup of tea when we refilled up. We have been to a customer's house 3 times. We went lunchtime. For the customer you have to bib on the horn because they've got some dogs, so they want to know you're there basically, so the dogs are out of the way. And she didn't hear me bib the horn because obviously she's in the house, and I was thinking because it's lunchtime they might be in the house eating somewhere, but we went back and it was the same thing. So my wife got in touch, Teresa did, while we were working, and then because you go through your mind, and there could be something going on. People got appointments, hospitals, that sort of thing. So you wonder if anything's up. But said she was in, so we went back and had a laugh. Basically, I've just got to bib my horn a bit more and give it some welly. But all in all, job done. And it's weird because the amount of money we took today is £15 less than what it took me the day before when we had that mammoth day of doing them 2 jobs, which took a long time, and I didn't get to do 2 other jobs that I'm going to have to do tomorrow now on top of window cleaning, which we can do, so we're getting them in. So I think it's definitely easier having a good day window cleaning to make roughly the same money as doing 2 full-on jobs of gutter clears, face stops and gutters and all that. Definitely on my body anyway. And it's been beautiful, the sun's been out, still a bit cold here and there, but all in all, good day. And let's hope we've got some better weather for the next few months and no one's going to be on a survival month. We can start putting it in the pot and getting the pot nice and big. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll leave a video up here somewhere for you to watch. Like, subscribe, all the good stuff, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.